Doing an update on the 350. Currently rebuilding the Work Meister S1 3-piece wheels. Current specs are in the front 19 by 9.5, positive 25 with a 2.8 inch lip. On the rear is 19 by 10.5, positive 23 with a 4.3 inch lip. Current wheel lips on the rear will go to the front, and the new 6-inch lips will go to the back. New specs will be 19 by 11 in the front and 19 by 12 in the rear. Tire size is still to be determined. Obviously, the lip is exaggerated here. Full rebuild and camber adjustments coming up in upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
That's the only thing that calm my nerves and tensions. Maybe that's why I feel so bad about not being able to save her. Cold set in your heart, cold sex with another guy. The summer air was kissing me, brought her on the other side. Pressure on my head, I'm learning ropes to paradise. Too much to achieve, I can't even fall asleep at night. I look so strong to people around me, my assertions